everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to prepare a very special dish, that is Alludam with baby potatoes. It's very special. We generally make it in winters with green peas and it tastes really good with parathas and kachori or puri. So let us start, friends.
At first, we have to heat 4 tablespoons of mustard oil in a kadai. Then I am going to add 1 teaspoon of jeera. Next, I will add 3 to 4 bay leaves. Now I will add the boiled potatoes, which I had already boiled in pressure cooker for 4 whistles. And I'm going to mix it well with the jeera, and we have to fry it for 2 to 3 minutes till it turns little bit reddish brown. Now we have to blend these together, tomato, green chilli and ginger. I've given the quantities. Without water we have to blend it in mixer grinder. It will look like this. Now I will mix it with the potatoes and cook it for next 2 minutes. Next I have added salt according to taste, turmeric powder and some Kashmiri mirch powder. Also I am going to add roasted jeera powder. This gives a very nice aroma to the dish, and mix it well. Keep the gas in medium flame so that the masalas don't get burned. Next I will add 1 cup of green peas. I've taken fresh green peas. If you like to have frozen green peas, you can also have that. Next I will add 1 teaspoon of sugar, Alludam masala 2 teaspoon. This you can get in any grocery store. Now I will add 2 cups of water. Next I am going to add 1 teaspoon of ghee. You have to cook it in medium flame for 5 minutes. Lastly, I am going to add freshly chopped coriander leaves, around 1 cup. Alludam is cooked very well and it is ready to serve hot with paratha, chapati or puri. It goes very well with kachori as well.
So friends, I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. I hope you all will try this at home and enjoy with your friends and families. Till then, all of you take care, bye bye and happy cooking.